Hello there and a warm welcome back to my channel. In this video titled Systeme tutorial, we'll explore how to build a two-step sales funnel and understand why this is important to capture emails and create an email campaign. Using the free version of Systeme, will demonstrate how straightforward it is to implement a two-step sales funnel. I will explore the benefits of this versatile approach, which can be applied to various products, offers, digital products, physical items, and of course affiliate product, which is generally my focus. The best part is that you can do all this for free with the basic plan. While there are paid plans available, you can still access all the features I'll show you in this video using the free plan. Before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel. I also have a free gift for you, and I will reveal it to you after we finish the tutorial. From my perspective, it's a common mistake among many marketing personnel to directly send traffic towards their landing page, which contains the product details and at times the payment page. So why is it a mistake? The main reason why it's a mistake is because they're trying to attract individuals to make a purchase during their first encounter. There's always a high chance they won't buy and move on to view other things. At this point, you've literally lost them. You have not provided any incentive for them to make a click or even capture their details. So what is the solution? Well, with a well-designed two-step sales funnel, we can capture their email addresses with an attractive magnet lead before directing individuals to the main offer. In doing so, we can establish a follow-up email marketing strategy and potential promotions down the road. This is a crucial strategy in following up on potential customers who have not purchased, and hence we are using the power of Systeme Responder with collected email to handle the whole process. So now we're going to attempt to create a two-step funnel, and in doing so, you'll see the power of Systeme and how quickly we can create funnels. So first thing to do is to look at the menu up the top and go to funnels, and here you will get a list of previously created funnels. And the first thing you want to do is use this menu to create a funnel. We give it a name, so a funnel. We take the default domain name, which is provided by Systeme based on your registration email. And the thing we want to do is build an audience. So we're going to select that. You can see it's highlighted. And down here, you may want to choose the required currency, in which case I'll choose US dollar. So we do save, and here it is. So now we've got two here, one I created before. They're both active. You can deactivate them or create them to be active. And now we click on the funnel over here, but actually, sorry, before I do that, on the far right, you have the ability to view the funnel, duplicate it, share it with another Systeme user, look at the settings, which is what we use to create it. It's the same information. You can change that, and you can deactivate it, which just changes how you see it here. So it's all straightforward. So I'm going to go into a funnel. Because this is your first time, you'll get the ability to select a template for your squeeze page, which is your first part of the two-step funnel. So it appears here that we have at least 30 different templates to choose from. So just play around and browse through, and simplicity is the best thing to do. You may have to choose a few times. So let's choose a simple template. Let's change this one here to capture an email. So remove get free video and put an email there and capture it. So let's choose that one. So we select. Okay, so what we want to be able to do now is continue and build our squeeze page, create the first step in the two-step funnel. And if we click view funnel, that's our template, which was one click to get that going. So what we're going to do now is edit that template. So, which is quite simple. So the first thing we might want to do is change the background. Let's change the background. So we go to settings and we look for the background, and we select some previous images that I've uploaded. So I might select that one. Let's now change the text. So you just click on it and put something else in. Click below to get your free ebook and gift. There you go. So that's easy to do. We probably want to remove that, and we want to remove that. So you just click the remove, is the bin icon there, and we can leave that. So we'll correct you any spellings. And what we want to do here is place the ability to put an email and put a button, which will take us to the second part of the funnel, the two-step second part. Okay, so let's go and create a an email input, which is under form input. What we want to do is drag it inside there, right? Maybe put it above, okay? We have to select the type, which is an email, okay? You can change its color. There's certain things you can do. You can say, please enter your email. So that's the email, and it's an email. It's a form input. We can change the font size, and we can make a lot of changes to it if we want. So the next thing we want to do is add a button below. Okay, so let's create a button and put it there. Okay, so with this button now, as soon as you click on it, you've got the settings, right? We want to select send form, and we want, when we click here, we want to go to the next step, right? So now we want to format the button. So we probably want to remove the subtext in this case, and where it says click here, we'll say click here to receive your gift, right? So you can see that it's quite easy to make changes, very easy. So now we can just save that and view it. And there it is. So you've now created your first part of the two-step funnel. So we go back, and now what we want to do is create the thank you page, which they call the bridge page or the opt-in page. And at that point, you may want to describe more about your services or products. I'll just pick something simple. Let's preview that. So that looks okay for the moment. Let's select that. So it's called the thank you or download page. We'll just call it the thank you page. We edit it, and now we want to, because this will be the last page in the two-step funnel, it's up to you what you want to add. But again, the process of changing it is very simple. Okay, so we'll leave it as it is. So now we just want to come back to this point and go to our squeeze page, enter the email, and which will take us to the thank you or the opt or bridge page. So we do that by clicking view funnel, and there's our URL at the top, our domain name. So let's enter a test email. And so we put our email in, we click here to receive your gift, and that takes us to the bridge page. So you can see that it's very simple. It's up to you to configure the squeeze page to what it looks like, configure the bridge page. Now that we've added in some test emails, if we go to contacts, here they are, Freddie Smith. And if you go to the main dashboard, you can see there's been an event, and over here are the captured emails. So that is a very simple two-step funnel. I hope it makes sense, and let's move on. As mentioned earlier, I've got a complimentary ebook titled The Free Proven Steps to Quit Your 9-to-5 Job with High-Ticket Affiliate Marketing, which complements this tutorial. You can find the download link in the pinned comments or in the description below, and support this channel. This tutorial and the ebook, combined with the power of Systeme software, will fast-track you on your journey in creating an automated affiliate funnel for all your affiliate products. If you'd like to get your free Systeme account, you can find the link in the pinned comments as shown here and in the video description below the video. And just to be completely transparent, I am an affiliate for Systeme. So thank you so much for tuning into my Systeme tutorial on how to build a two-step sales funnel. Thank you.